Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can cancel Dash Bash on DoorDash. But before that, please do make sure to like our videos, and then right afterwards make sure you're logged in as well. Now tap on this account option in the bottom. Then you will find plenty of account option on top. You simply have to tap on this option of manage Dash Bash. Now right over here, simply you will find the information regarding your Dash Bash, your payment details in the bottom, including the option of changing payment method and your cancel membership. Gotta tap on this option of cancel membership. Now you simply have to provide why you're doing so. Go ahead, enter a reason for you. Once you're done choosing, tap on this continue option, and then it will simply give you the summary how much you have saved so far, and then tap on this cancel Dash Bash again. And afterwards you can see the cancellation has been successful. You can tap on this got it, and you can do that as many times as you want accordingly, and that is how you can do it. So if you got more questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below as well. And otherwise, this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.